Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting right away. Open your workbook and save a copy so you can revert if needed. Then make sure the picture is sized and in a known folder. Smaller files load faster. Once done, switch to Page Layout View or choose Insert, then Header and Footer. This places you directly in the header area and activates header and footer tools. You need the header field active so Excel will show the Design Contextual tab where the picture option appears. This is how Excel treats images in headers. Now insert the image. With the header selected, open Header and Footer tools and click Picture. Choose from a file or online pictures, navigate to your image, and confirm. Excel won't show the image immediately. Instead, you'll see AN picture placeholder in the header box. This code tells Excel to render the chosen file when you exit design mode. Make sure the image you picked has the right orientation and resolution, because Excel scales it within header margins rather than freely resizing like a worksheet picture. Finish by adjusting the image properties. Click Format Picture from the header and footer tools to set height, width, and alignment. This ensures the logo doesn't overlap cell content. Once adjusted, exit header editing and preview the sheet in Print Preview or Page Layout to verify placement across pages. If the image doesn't appear, make sure the file wasn't moved. Use a supported format like PNG or JPEG or reinsert. As a troubleshooting tip, save the workbook and reopen to refresh the header rendering if display issues persist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.